Hi, Bobby Watkins here from Ruland Manufacturing with another edition in our Product Spotlight series. And today we're going to be talking about the Controlflex Coupling. And this is a product that's newly available from Ruland, and it has some advantages over other motion control designs, particularly for encoder applications and light duty power transmission applications. We're going to go over the construction and the benefits of the Controlflex coupling. So it's an insert type 3-piece coupling, and the insert is a little bit of an unusual design, and because of its shape it's called a frog. So jaw couplings have spiders, Controlflex couplings have frogs. And the advantage of this coupling in encoder applications is, for one, the RPM capability. The Controlflex coupling has an RPM capability of up to 25,000 RPM, where most encoder couplings maybe have a 6,000 RPM or a 10,000 RPM max. The Controlflex can go up to 25,000 RPM. One of the other advantages is many times when you're trying to size an encoder coupling, you've got a very small shaft diameter to deal with on the encoder and maybe a relatively large shaft diameter on the motor or whatever you're connecting the encoder to. The Controlflex tends to have a much larger shaft range option versus other types of couplings. For example, you can go from a 3/4 inch all the way down to a 1/4 inch, or 20 millimeter, for example, down to 6 millimeters. So when you've got that large variance in shaft diameters, the Controlflex in a lot of cases, as standard, will fulfill the bill for it. So again, it's available in two configurations. A single frog design, which is probably going to be the most common for encoder applications. So again, standard depth pin for one frog on the hub, one frog is the insert, and that is the typical single frog configuration. If you need a larger or longer coupling, if you will, because of the shaft spacing, and you need to go longer, or you need a little bit more torque than the single frog, you can get them, all of them, in a double frog version, where the pin on the hub is extended to accommodate two frogs. So again, the option of having the more compact single frog version, where your shafts are nice and close together, or go the double frog version with the extended pins on the hubs, and that's going to give you more torque capacity, and it's also going to give you a longer coupling. So if your shaft ends are farther apart than what can accommodate the single, you've got the option of the double. We'll talk a little bit about some of the limitations. As with all insert type couplings, the frog is a wear item. So it's gonna probably need some periodic replacement, as with all insert type couplings. Relatively low torque. We're talking low torque applications. We're talking encoders, tachometers, resolvers, and they will do some light power transmission applications. For example, liquid handling systems, pipette systems, light duty or light torque applications. Again, it can be a great fit for that. And again, industries, we've got encoders and resolvers and tachometers, which can show up in all types of industries: automation, medical, liquid handling, pipette systems, and so forth, scientific instrumentation, test and measurement systems. And again, the ability of the coupling to accommodate large variances in shaft diameters, high RPM, up to 25,000 RPM, and again, it's an excellent choice for many applications where you have a low torque, high RPM need. And again, visit us at Ruland.com. You're going to have the option of live chat support, email, or call us. So you've got 3 ways to contact us, and we're happy to work out part numbers for you, confirm that the Controlflex is a good coupling for your application. And if it's not, say you need higher torque than what you can get from the Controlflex, or you need some more forgiveness or different characteristics, as you know, Ruland has a full line of motion control couplings. So if the Controlflex is not a fit for you, we probably have something that will be a good fit for you. So again, thanks for watching.